This is Apple Magic Keyboard for iPad Pro 13-inch. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I have already done from the one side. This is a bit of paperwork there. Let's bring the iPad. And here it goes. There's the USB-C port from one side for charging and other USB-C accessories. The keyboard feels premium as that like that of the Mac. It has a lock key over here used for locking and unlocking the the iPad Pro. So let me know in the comments below what do you think of this keyboard. Can iPad Pro along with this with keyboard can it be used to replace the Mac? Like and subscribe to know more about Apple news. Thank you for watching.